Hello mamas and dadas, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all safe, doing good and coping well in this pandemic situation around the globe. And I am Pranshi Mukherjee and I am here with yet another video. Yeah, I know I've been MIA since last 2 months, but I have been so busy and because of all our staycation and I couldn't really post anything on YouTube ever since. It's such a chore to travel with a baby in such a pandemic situation, and it was so difficult to travel about 2,000 kilometers from where I am right now. But yeah, we did it, and I posted the sneak peeks of the entire trip on my Instagram. So if you are not following me there, just go and follow me. Just hit the follow button so you know what's going on in my life and you stay updated. I share a lot of different things that I couldn't on YouTube. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. So about today's video, Nama is currently 8 months old, but I am shooting the 6-month-old update video because I couldn't really shoot anything back then. So I just jotted down all the changes that he went through in his 4th, 5th and 6th month so I can shoot this video later on, and so that you guys can match up your baby's development with mine. You know, every mother does that. I did, to check out whether or not my baby was developing and achieving his milestones. All good, but just keep one tip in mind: every baby is different, and just do not panic if your baby is slower at achieving a few milestones. He is different, every baby is different. Still, if you are feeling worrisome about your baby, just go and ask your pediatrician. Any of your doubts shall be cleared by them. So yeah, let's get on with today's video. I am feeling so happy, you guys, while shooting this video. As you can see, he looked so different back then when he was a newborn, and he was different when he was 6 months old, and now he is a totally different cute little human being. Oh, I can't get enough of his smile. Oh my god, I just cannot tell you how much happy he makes me. And he's such a happy baby. He's a sweetheart. He's my heart. Oh my god, I just cannot get enough of him, you guys. I am, obsessed mom who is just obsessed with her kid. But I cannot blame myself. He is just so cute. He's just so adorable. If you have seen my 3-month baby update video, you would know how worried we were because of his low birth weight, and that wasn't quite improving very well back then. But by the time he completed his 3 months and entered his 4 months, we started to gradually see a good difference in his weight, and the whole situation really improved. You can see how he's cooing and squealing as he's seeing me shooting this video. He really wants to be, be with me right now, but his dad is feeding him some milk. So yeah, so I was telling you about how worrisome we were when he was a newborn about his low birth weight, but by 6 months the complete situation kind of turned around, and the situation improved a lot. Also, he had a cradle cap which led to massive hair loss, but as he entered into 5th month, his hair started to grow back again, and now his head is all full of hair, and yeah, that also has improved. He is the happiest baby in the world. He responds and laughs and interacts as soon as you call out his name. Just like that, you call his name Nama and he looks at you and he starts smiling, and that's just so adorable. You wanna come to me? Come. So yeah, guys, he is my sweet little baby boy Nama, and I shall return him to his father now because it is his nap time. And but he couldn't stop smiling. As you can see, he is the happiest baby in the world. In fourth month or so, he got into this habit of sucking on his thumb. That was a big change, and he still sucks his thumb. If I have to name one thing that he hates the most, that's the darkness. He doesn't like darkness. As soon as you switch off the light, he gets all irritated and fussy, and he will start to scream and shout. So even in the nights, we sleep with at least one light on. He needs to be able to see everything all the time if he is sleeping, and if he wakes up all of a sudden and if he sees that everything around him is dark, then he will instantly get angry and start shouting. But on the other hand, the smile on his face is undeniably beautiful. As soon as you switch on the light or take him outside to see the beautiful, gorgeous, fresh view in the morning, or simply just open up the curtain, that will make him happy and cheery all over again. Another thing that tends to cheer him up is when we sing to him. He really likes when we when we give different expressions while singing, and the melody. He loves all of it, and it makes him instantly cheery. Even sometimes I have seen if he's crying hard, if I start to sing, then he will stop just like that, and he will instantly start to smile. It is so easy to make him stop crying. Now let's come to sleep. He is not a tough bean as far as sleep is concerned. He used to be, if you have seen my 3-month baby update video, I have told you how we had to shake him and rock him in order to put him to sleep. But now that has changed. If he is sleepy, he will tell you, he will cry, and he will tell you that he is feeling sleepy. All you have to do is just hold him closely, and or hug him or hold him upright, and he will fall asleep in a minute. So yeah, it's that easy. As soon as the 5th month started, he began to sleep through the night, and that was such a relief. I cannot tell you how much we have missed the whole night sleep for the first 5 months after he was born. But now he sleeps through the night. Sometimes he wakes up at about 5:30, 6 a.m. And then we feed him some milk, and he goes back into sleep all over again. But yeah, that's okay. I'm not complaining. He's just a kid. But yeah, sleeping from 11 p.m. to 5:30 in the morning is such a big progress. I know I have mentioned in my earlier video, that is 3-month baby update video. You can just go and check it out. I will mention the link somewhere above. You can just go and check it out and know what my baby was like when he was 3 months old. So yeah, if you have seen my earlier video, you would know that he started to roll over when he was 3 months old. Yes, but as soon as the 4th month started, he suddenly stopped trying to roll over, and that kind of made me worried a lot. I even discussed this issue with my pediatrician, and he said there are many kids who directly learn to sit, and later on they learn to roll over. So not to worry. But still we kept on trying. We kept on motivating him to roll over. As soon as the 5th month started, he started to roll over, and he learned rolling over so fast. I guess it was 5 to 7 days that took him to learn rolling both sides, from tummy to back and back to tummy. And now he is so fast. If we put him at one point on the bed, he will be at another corner in just a microsecond. He's so fast, I cannot tell you. As suggested by the doctor, we started to make him practice sitting with support, with a lot of support, and he started to sit on his own with a little bit of support in 5th month, and by the end of 6th month he was able to sit unassisted for a bit, for say about 5-6 seconds. Yeah, he would slouch forward a bit, but we could see how much effort he was putting in to sit straight. And as soon as he discovered his ability to sit, he just didn't wanna lie down or just play lying down. He all the time demands us to sit him up, and he likes to sit and play. He doesn't like to stay lie down just like that on the bed. So yeah, he's such an active baby and he is so headstrong. If he wants something, he goes for it. As I have told in my earlier videos, if he wants something, he will go for it. He laughs so beautifully, and not just the silent ones. He laughs with full laughing sound, as you can see in this video, full giggling sound, and it is so adorable. It is the most adorable thing in the world. I live for this smile, I live for this laughter. It really makes me want to cry every time I see this smile, and I know that it is me who created this little cute little human inside me. And oh my god, I feel so proud of myself every time I look at him and the beautiful human that he is growing into. He laughs when you play peekaboo with him. He laughs when you make funny faces, give him funny expressions. He laughs when you sing to him. He laughs when you use a toy to fly it as an aeroplane. It really makes him happy. Also, he is the happiest when he is around other people, the family members. When in the morning he sees every other family member for the first time in the day, it is the happiest moment of his day, and his smile is undeniable. Now, as far as feeding is concerned, we used to feed him about 120 to 150 ml of formula milk every 3 to 4 hours when he was 5 months old. He went on the breastfeeding strike in the middle of 4th month, and he has been on one ever since. And as my breast milk supply was low, now there's no breast milk. So even if he wanna feed on me, no, he cannot. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, he doesn't breastfeed anymore. Now that he doesn't breastfeed, there is a natural instinct that baby has to suck on things, and it is the basic procedure that puts him to sleep. So we had to introduce bottle feeding to him, and I didn't want to do that at all. I'm totally against bottle feeding. I don't like bottle feeding, but now the situation was like he used to get so irritated because he had to have some breast milk, and there was no breast milk inside me. So we had to introduce him to bottle feeding, and that was one thing that I didn't want, but we had to. We tried everything. He wasn't accepting milk by spoon. My mom tried to feed him by spoon, but he just wouldn't accept it. Also, we started his solid foods journey in the 5th month, in the middle of the 5th month, I guess. In the beginning, we started off by feeding him some Cerelac. We used to feed him Cerelac twice a day. I wanted to start off his solid foods journey, making it easy on him. So I didn't really wanna go into all that rice and dal stuff. So I started off with the fruit and veggies puree. Yes, I fed him fruit purees and veggies puree on alternate day. One day fruit puree and other day veggie puree. And as he started his 6th month, we started to give him porridge and khichdi. By the end of 6th month, we had started feeding him Cerelac twice a day, in the morning as a breakfast, and in the night right before sleeping, and veggie puree, fruit puree or porridge, whatever. We included that in his lunch and in his evening meal, that is about 7:30 8 p.m. So yeah, and in between, whenever he got hungry, we used to feed him milk. I'll be sharing a video on how we started, how we introduced solid foods to our baby in detail in a video soon, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated everything I post on my YouTube, and also follow me on Instagram to get regular sneak peeks of our crazy lives. By 5th month, he started on babbling. He used to babble a lot. He even started to spell out a few vowels, A, E, I, O, U. You can even check out in this video. I cannot get enough of this video. He's repeating after me, and it's just so cute. He would put anything and everything in his mouth and try to chew them. Initially we thought it was his teething that made him chew on things, but no, it's just maybe his gums make some sensation that makes him want to chew on things consistently. His gums have gotten really, and I guess within the next 2 to 3 months, maybe his first tooth will appear. He used to try and get hold of his feet and even try to put his feet and toes into his mouth so that he could chew on them. It is the funniest thing that I have seen in the past 3 months. He has learned this new trick. Massaging your baby really helps to make your baby stretch and exercise their body all the time. So there's that. Also, I think it is safe to say that Cocomelon, he's the biggest fan of Cocomelon. If he's crying, all you need is to just open up your YouTube and start playing Baby Shark. Do, 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 do. And he's happy again. Even sometimes when he makes it difficult for me to feed him, I use songs as a distraction. I play songs so he can listen to the songs and he starts eating all over again. He is so happy around people. He's great with socializing that I am not. But he loves people, he loves being around people, and he is not fussy at all. As far as he is able to see his family, any of his family member around him, he is comfortable and he knows that he is in a safe zone and he is comfortable and he will be happy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything that I had to cover in this video, 4th, 5th, 6th month baby update video. Now about me, I have never been this happy in my entire life. I have never been this proud of myself ever in my entire life, and just thinking how much pain I took to give birth, and after his birth the first 2 months were just so excruciating. The whole stitches and bleeding and licking boobs and everything. It was so depressing, but now I'm fine. I'm doing very good. Yeah, I don't know whether or not they were hormonal fluctuations or the worrying too much about my baby's low birth weight since he was premature baby, that kind of trying to push me over the edge. But then I came back, and I came back stronger, and I'm really proud of myself. And you should too, mamas. You are doing a great job. Huge shout out to you. I still cannot feel half my belly though, but yeah, I'm way better. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else for now. If you guys found this video helpful and relatable, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family, whoever might need it. Also consider subscribing to my channel because it's free, and press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I update a new video. It's just beside the subscribe button. You don't have to do too much to do it, and that way you will stay updated about whatever I post on my YouTube. Also follow me on Instagram, since I give my regular updates over there, and I am going to link down every product that I use for my baby in the description box below, so you can just go and check it out. If you have anything, just anything that you need to ask me, just place it in the comment section below or DM me on my Instagram, and I will make sure to answer your queries. Until next time, bye bye. Happy mommy time. Mwah.